I want you to take a look at this. So in 1980, we had 28 days with highs at or above 105 degrees. So far this year, including today, we've had 20 days at or above 105. And the significant thing about that is we surpassed today, surpasses 2011. In 2011, we had 19 days at or above 105. And remember, 2011 is the hottest summer on record when we're talking about the entire summer. June, July, August, the entire summer added together. 2011, the hottest summer on record. 1980 is number 2. I don't think we can surpass 1980 or 2011 just because we're going to run out of time when it comes to, we're about to run out of August here. So we're not going to surpass those years when it comes to the whole summer. But this August has been very, very comparable to the summer of 2011, or the August of 2011, I should say. 1951, we had 17 days, and to round out the top 10, in 1952, we had 14 days. And by the way, today is also the 41st triple-digit day of the year. Most we've had in a season was 71. That record seems very, very safe back in the summer of 2011. We could surpass last summer, though. We still haven't gotten there, but we could surpass last summer when we had 47 triple-digit days. And because we're now at 41, that is in the top 10, it is 10th most on record, and I obviously have more triple digits on the way. Things are quiet right now, going to stay quiet today, going to stay quiet tonight, but things are not quiet in the Gulf. A system brewing down that way. In fact, it is now a tropical depression number 9. A little bit of rain, you can see, kind of headed toward the South Texas coast there. The storm at the moment does not have a name just yet. If it becomes a tropical storm, which it very well could as it moves toward the Texas coast, it will be named Harold. Right now, it needs to increase in wind speed by about 4 to 5 miles an hour, and then it can become a tropical storm, and it's forecasted to do that over the next 24 hours or so. So here it comes, making landfall sometime during the day tomorrow, potentially as a lower-end tropical storm, wind speeds of 45 miles an hour between Brownsville and Corpus Christi in South Texas, and then continue to move kind of up the Rio Grande Valley and up into Mexico as we head into the late night tomorrow and into early Wednesday. Some storm surge potentially along the Texas coast of about 1 to 3 feet, and some beneficial rainfall down that way, 1 to 2 to 2 to 4 inches, especially 2 to 4 inches anywhere from Laredo to Corpus Christi, maybe even down to the Brownsville area. But the closest any of that rain looks like it'll be to North Texas. Will be kind of Austin, maybe over to College Station, down into southeast Texas there. So we will not get any rain from this. The same high pressure system that's keeping us very, very hot at the moment is going to steer that storm into South Texas. If high pressure was maybe a little farther to the north and east, it might steer that storm up our way, but it's not. So this is what we're dealing with. High pressure will kind of stay just off to the north of us over the next couple of days. That's why our highs are not in record territory, or at least I don't think we'll break any records the next couple of days. But we could break more records later on this week as that high pressure moves basically right back on top of us. The good news is, though, it does look like it moved May off to the west late next weekend and into early next week. That may open the door for one of those summertime cold fronts to move back in. Temperatures back closer to 100 degrees. And maybe, just maybe, some low-end rain chances. Nothing widespread or soaking, but at least maybe something back on the radar. In the meantime, it'll be dry, warm, and muggy tonight, 83 for your low, and then tomorrow very hot, dry, and breezy. The record tomorrow is 105 again, so 104 could be close to record highs tomorrow, but I don't have us breaking it. Tuesday, the record's 107. I think that one's safe, but you see 106 on Thursday would tie the record, 108 on Friday would break the record, 107 on Saturday would break a record, and 105 on Sunday would not break a record at this point. But there you go. There's that little bit of a dip, maybe around 100 degrees as we head into next week, with maybe a few pop-up showers or storms around Sunday and Monday. But I don't see anything any more significant than a 10, maybe 20% coverage across the area.